The Bournemouth Writing Festival is an annual 3-day event where people from all over descend on Bournemouth and celebrate creative writing.
We have a partnership now with the Bournemouth Writing Festival and Dominic Wong. I've never met somebody who can spin so many plates.
We had 100 free and ticketed writing activities over the 3-day weekend.
It just takes over Bournemouth Town Centre.
Over 1,000 writers and authors coming down to Bournemouth.
It's in about 20 different locations.
Talks, panels.
There's a poetry hub that's in a bandstand.
Walks, writing on the beach, genre breakfast.
There's workshops going on.
One-to-ones of literary agents.
We do the Born Jammy event where we have people on stage and our students are up there and they've got a live band accompanying them. It's pretty exciting.